Hello everybody, good morning. It is Sunday, September the 3rd, 2017, and I'm going to tell you about what to look forward to in week 4 of this semester. And I'm sorry, I'm a little bit under the weather today. I've got like a sinus infection. It's not even 9 o'clock in the morning and it's like 90 degrees outside and nasty humid and just, it sucks. But week 4 is going to be a good week. It is the first time we cover one of the really large civilizations, which is ancient Egypt. We'll also look at Greece and Rome in the next couple weeks, but this is really the first time where we have a substantial, long-lasting civilization that we're going to look at. So a lot of you really are into Egypt and such. That's really cool. There's a lot of great stuff in the chapter. And I will have some audio lectures, probably Monday or Tuesday. With all the weather and stuff going on, my neighbor's air conditioner, I don't even know if you can hear it, super loud, and the mic picks it up. So I got to hang out a little bit, probably do those tonight or early tomorrow morning, and then I'll upload them for you to take a look at. I don't really want to do the PowerPoint audio lectures. Those are done, but it's so much easier to do a live lecture and put it onto YouTube, and you can go back and forth a whole lot easier with those. So those are coming Monday or Tuesday. The study guide is posted, and the quiz this week is also going to be kind of different. Just as a reminder, since I'm talking about quizzes, quiz 2 is due tonight, and I've got about 15 of you who have already done it. Thank you. I'll have your scores posted early next week. I have 25 of you who haven't done it. You need to make sure it gets in and uploaded tonight by 11:55 p.m. That's when it is due. And next week, Quiz 3 is super exciting because you get to act like an art historian, or at least see what we do. The big thing that we're concerned with is comparing and contrasting, trying to put into context these art objects. And so on the quiz for next week, I have 2 images from 2 different civilizations, one from the chapter we just covered on the Middle East, and one with Egypt. You're going to compare and contrast those. And I've given you a worksheet also in the document that highlights some of the most important parts to compare and contrast. After that's done, there's a short answer you're going to fill out, and then you're going to upload the document. It's really simple. It's a little bit more points than usual. It's 30 points. Again, this will take you a little bit of extra time, so please give yourself that leeway. And, you know, that's really about it. Next week, though, there is not a quiz. This is going to be now week 5. We have an annotated bibliography due. In the notes last week, I asked you to kind of leaf through the book and see if there was one particular civilization that kind of, really caught your attention. And we're going to start formulating our research paper and project. I like to do the project in bite-sized pieces rather than just having it all due like a few weeks before the end of the semester. This way we can do it in smaller chunks, we can get better grades, we're more focused on what we're doing, and it's a lot easier for me to grade as well, partly because they're better papers, because we've taken our time and we've gone through specific steps. The first step is going to be an annotated bibliography. So I'll tell you how to do that later in the week. Again, it's kind of hot to record a video on that now. And also, we'll take a look at what kind of research you need to find for that. Areas like, Wikipedia or websites that are not as scholarly can't be counted. So I'll kind of go over a little primer on the correct way to find research. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I will be in touch soon.